Good morning, students. Welcome back. We were on the chapter The Earth in the Solar System. I told you in the last class, I've told you about pole star, right? Let's continue. Today we are going to study about planets. Some celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light. They are lit by the light of stars. Such are called planets. जो word planets है, they don't have their own heat and light. Planets की अपनी heat light नहीं होती है, right? उनको stars से उनको stars से light मिलती है. Okay, the word planet comes from a Greek word called planetary. जो word planet है वो एक Greek word से आता है जिसका क्या नाम है planetary, right? And it means wanderers. Wanderers means जो घूमते हैं. Wanderers means the one who wander, घूमना. Okay, and the earth is the planet on which we live. This you all know, right? And earth को सारी heat and light कहाँ से मिलती है? Sun से. कहाँ से मिलती है? Sun से, right? And if we look at the earth from great distance, say the moon, it will appear to be shining just as the moon, right? So earth is the planet, right? And it gets its heat and light from the sun. Heat and light कहाँ से मिलती है earth को? Sun से, right? The moon that we see in the sky is a satellite. अब satellite क्या होता है? Satellite एक वो celestial body है which moves around the planet. जो क्या करती है? मूव करती है, रिवॉल्व करती है अराउंड अ प्लैनेट. ठीक है, ओके. तो मून क्या है? मून इज द सैटेलाइट, राइट? इट इज कंपेनियन ऑफ अर्थ, फ्रेंड ऑफ अर्थ, मूव्स अराउंड इट. लाइक आवर अर्थ देयर आर 8 अदर प्लैनेट्स दैट गेट हीट एंड लाइट फ्रॉम द सन. अच्छा, जैसे अर्थ को हीट लाइट कहाँ से मिलती है? सन से. सेम वे 8 अदर प्लैनेट्स आर देयर विच गेट देयर हीट एंड लाइट फ्रॉम द सन, राइट? ओके, सम ऑफ देम हैव देयर मून्स टू. और कुछ ऐसे प्लैनेट्स भी हैं जिनके अपने उसमें मून्स भी होते हैं, right? Let's talk about the solar system now. Sun, 8 planets, satellites, and some other celestial bodies known as asteroids, meteoroids, right? They all form what? They all form the solar system. ये सब चीज़ें क्या form करती हैं? Solar system, right? And we often, और generally, हम इस often means generally, we often call it solar family. और इसको क्या भी कहा जाता है? Solar family. और head कौन है family का? Sun. Who's the head of the family, solar family? It is sun. Okay, now let's talk about sun. So first of all, sun is in the center of the solar system. Sun कहाँ होता है? Center of the solar system में, right? As you can see, as you might have drawn the diagram also, I've told you to draw the diagram. Just see here, just see, where is sun? It is in the center, right? It is in the center, and other planets are these. Okay, these are the other planets. So sun is the head of the family, head of the family, as it is and it is in the center of the solar system. Got it? So sun is in the center of the solar system. It's huge and it is made up of hot gases, right? Main things you have to remember about sun is it is center of the solar system, it is made up of extremely hot gases, and एक pulling force provide करता है ये सोलर सिस्टम को. पुलिंग मीन्स जो सबको खींच के रखता है, पुलिंग फोर्स, राइट? एंड द सन इज द अल्टीमेट सोर्स ऑफ हीट एंड लाइट फॉर द सोलर सिस्टम. दैट मीन्स जो मेन सोर्स ऑफ हीट एंड लाइट है सोलर सिस्टम के लिए वो क्या है? सन. वो क्या है? सन. इट इज़ द मेन सोर्स ऑफ हीट एंड लाइट फॉर द सोलर सिस्टम. बट ट्रेमेंडस हीट, ट्रेमेंडस मीन्स जो इसकी इतनी हीट है हमें इतनी नहीं लगती हीट. वाई? बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी वेरी फार अवे फ्रॉम अस. डिस्पाइट बीइंग आवर नियरेस्ट स्टार, ऑल्दो ये हमारा नियरेस्ट स्टार है, बट देन ऑल्सो इट इज़ वेरी वेरी फार फ्रॉम अस. हमसे बहुत दूर है. दैट्स वाई वी कैन नॉट फील इट्स हीट सो मच, right? And the sun is about 150 million kilometer away from अर्थ. अर्थ से कितना दूर है? 150 million kilometer, right? So this is about sun. Okay, now let's talk about planets. Okay, so there are 8 planets in our solar system. Acha, previously I have told you what do we mean by planet. It comes from a Greek word called, remember, it comes from a Greek word called planetary, which means what? Wanderers, wanderers. Okay, now let's talk about how many are there. There are 8 planets in our solar system. According to their distance, these are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, right? These are the 8 planets, and there is an easy way to learn it, right? It is just see, my very efficient mother just served us nuts. So M Mercury, V Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So there is a way. It's a sentence. अगर आप इस sentence को अच्छे से learn कर लोगे, you'll never forget these planets, the names of these planets. You should know. You learn करना आपको. You should know the names of these planets. Now, just see, all the 8 planets of the solar system move around the sun in fixed path. अच्छा, ये जो सारे planets हैं, right? ये सारे planets sun के around घूमते हैं, because sun कहाँ है? Center में, right? And these planets move, or they just move around the sun, and they move around the sun in fixed path. Path means रास्ता, the way. So fixed path में ये move करते हैं, right? And these paths are elongated. बहुत लंबे paths होते हैं ये. And these paths are known as orbits. और इन paths को हम क्या कहते हैं? Orbits. So what do we mean by orbits? These are the paths on which all the planets move around the sun. Orbits क्या हो गए? ये वो path हैं जिसमें सारे planets sun के around move करते हैं, right? ये वो path होता है, वो रास्ता होता है. Mercury is the nearest to the sun. So which is the first planet? Which is the first planet? Mercury, right? Just see the solar system. In this, which is the first planet that you can see? Mercury. So it is nearest to the sun. Can you see? It is nearest. सबसे पास है ये sun के, right? Okay. So it is nearest to the sun, and it takes about 88 days to complete one round along its orbit. कितना time लगता है Mercury को revolve करने में? One round it takes 88 days. Right? Now Venus is considered. Venus जो है उसको Earth's twin बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Earth's twin. अच्छा, what do we mean by twin? Twin is exactly the same. Twin is exactly the same. जैसे twins होते हैं ना, brother sisters हो गए तो twins. Right? That means they are exactly the same. So why is Venus called Earth's twin? Because its size, shape are very much similar to that of Earth. Because Venus ka size and shape, they are very similar. Similar means same to that of the Earth. Got it? Which planet is known as Earth's twin? Venus. And why? Because its size and its shape is almost same as Earth. That's why it is called Earth's twin. Earth ka twin. Okay, till recently August 2006, Pluto was also considered as a planet. Earlier we had 9 planets. Pluto was also the planet. However, in a meeting of International Astronomical Union, a decision was taken that Pluto, like other celestial bodies, says 2003 UB313 discovered in recent past, may be called dwarf planets. Actually that planet was so small. So acha, what do we mean by dwarf? Dwarf means very small, like we say na in Hindi, it is bone log, जो बहुत छोटे होते हैं, right? So in a meeting this planet was considered as dwarf planet, बहुत छोटा था, right? And due to some geographical reasons, they decided that they would not include this planet in this list. So now Pluto is no more our planet. So we are having how many planets? We are having 8 planets with us, right? Okay, now let's talk about Earth. So which planet is Earth? Again, you can see which is the Earth. First Mercury, right? And next is which one? Next is Venus, and next is Earth. So Earth is the third planet. Okay, Earth is the third nearest planet to the sun, and its size it is fifth largest planet, right? अगर हम according to size देखें, then it is fifth largest, but according to the distance from the sun, it is which one? Third nearest. Okay, that is why, right? And just see, it is slightly flattened at the poles. Acha, if you know, just see, if we are having this, let us suppose that this is Earth, right? It is flattened at the poles. Poles जो है ना इसके, right? ये जो poles, these are the, this is North Pole, this is South Pole. These poles are flattened. Flattened means plain है. प्लेन है, पोल्स सिर्फ प्लेन है. अदर्स इट इज बल्ज. बल्ज मीन्स राउंड, बट पोल्स क्या है इसके? प्लेन, फ्लैट हैं, राइट? ओके, सो इट इज स्लाइटली फ्लैटन्ड एट द पोल्स, एंड दैट इज वाई द शेप इज डिस्क्राइब्ड एज जियोइड. इसीलिए इसकी शेप कैसे डिस्क्राइब की है? एज अ जियोइड. जियोइड का मीनिंग क्या होता है? अर्थ लाइक शेप. अर्थ लाइक शेप मीन्स it is which is slightly flattened at the poles. Poles से क्या होती है? Flattened. Okay, and others it is bulge. Just see this. Let's talk this. Okay, दिस इज लिटिल फ्लैटन, थोड़ी सी फ्लैटन है नॉर्थ पोल से और साउथ पोल से, राइट. सो दिस शेप इज नोन एज विच वन? Geoid. Okay, so which is earth like shape? Geoid. Okay, now just see in this some facts are given. In this you can see Sol is Roman mythology is called sun god. Acha, meaning of solar you all should know. Solar means related to the sun. The family of the sun is therefore called solar family. Acha, solar meaning hota hai, what is the meaning of solar? You must have heard solar energy, that means the energy that we get from sun. So solar means related to sun, sun से related कोई भी चीज़, ठीक है. So that's why, that is the reason the family of sun को हम क्या कहते हैं? सोलार सिस्टम, राइट. फैमिली ऑफ सन को क्या कहा जाता है? सोलार सिस्टम. और फैमिली ऑफ सन में हेड कौन होता है? सन. ओके, नाउ जस्ट सी